about how can you fix this problem on your funny prank sounds app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this, then you go down. So you just keep going down here, then you click on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for funny prank sounds app, or just click on search, then here add fun prank sounds, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, click on force stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.